Hello everyone, welcome to Nandini Creative Ideas.
Here I am with my second video of garden tour. This is my kitchen garden. So let's get started. So this is the overview of my kitchen garden, and here we go with the one by one plants. It's a small garden but wonderful. Here we have several varieties of plants. We have various herbs, vegetables, fruits and various flowers plants too. Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me I hope you like my garden decoration or garden tour video. I will definitely upload it the next part of this video soon. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.